here we go now. Outside, a.k.a. Captain Jack Sparrow, Ronnie Hayes, and the Flying Dutchman. Out of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Sponsored by Performance Heating and Air, All-Star Motors, Superior Fiberglass, American Recovery Specialist, Payless Thrift, and Boyd's Machine Shop. Inside, sponsored by Hinsman Trucking, DragBoatCentral.com, and Rest Machine, Robert Ledbetter out of Sand Springs, Oklahoma, in Damn It Pools. Double red light. And at the finish line, outside lane, an 8.93 for Captain Jack at 1:15.68. That's a breakout. Inside lane, number 3 qualifier, 9.04 for Robert Ledbetter at 1:12.21.